On the cruise, I'm expecting to have a good time, a good wholesome time. Just a lot of drinking, having fun, watching Brian and Steve try to get laid,
getting naked,
being an observer.
Trying.
Anyways, it should be a whole lot of fun. I may be playing the role of Chris Lux on this cruise. So
Scott is officially a Cub Scout now. He's a freaking scout leader.
I'll be watching the ocean.
is he an Eagle
I'll
Scout?
be doing a lot of watching the ocean. And I'll be doing a lot of smiling when the camera's on. I won't be doing a whole lot of partying, really. Girls throwing themselves at people. I'm kind of back away from that kind of stuff. That's my cruise this year, pretty much.
That's gross.
It is currently Saturday. Tomorrow we will be boarding the ship. We are in Huntington Beach, getting ready to go out. College World Series on currently. We're going to go out to a little bar around the corner. We're starting to drink, not Nick's because he's pussing out. I'm going vodka, 1800 Cuervo and Crystal Light. It's nice. Scott's going with the Captain Morgan's and Diet Coke. He's on the low carb kick.
Bitch!
It was good. And we're kind of just hanging out for a few minutes before we go out, and that's our current status.
Grey Goose, baby. Day 1, cruise, 2004. This is going to be a fun trip. Me, Stapper, Scotty. This could be the last time for Scotty to have some fun before he's married. What do you got to say, married man?
Well, right now they're having the handcuffs fitted. He's fucking drinking lemonade. That fucking cocksucking bitch! Dude, you're such a fucking cock.
Enough with you!
Bring it back to me. Alright. We already made a pact. We already got some chicks lined up. Or at least I did. Stapper's working on it.
You son of a bitch. She came up to you. You didn't have to do anything.
I did some work. I did not screw it up, right?
Yeah.
Anyways.
I reckon.
Expectations
Yeah.
of this cruise is...
That's what I'm talking about.
Bring it. I know!
I know!
I know!
Ryan, I'm coming after you!
Tahoe!
It was a ball!
Just a ball. It was just a ball last year. This year might be 2 balls. Now here's to us having a great time. 3 of us, 3 amigos.
3 amigos.
Ned, Dusty, and Busty.
No, Ned
Busty?
Lucky.
Lucky, you son of a bitch!
I'm lucky.
I'm Dusty Bottom, Steve Stapp.
I'm Ned Needlander.
Needle dick.
When I was a kid, they used to call me little Nitty Knickers.
Needle dick. Needle dick.
Yeah, you're pretty little. And
You know how,
yeah, we're not interested, Scott. Go ahead, Brian.
Day 1. That fun's about to begin. It's about 5:30. We're gonna get laid tonight.
Somebody's at least making out. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some lip tonight. Stapper,
If I get drunk enough and I find another drunk chick, it's gonna happen.
Scotty.
what? I'm wing dogging it tonight.
Hello, my friend. Hello.
This vignette is dedicated to Christopher Lux. You looked over the ship so many times for so many hours. This is just me, looking out our window, staring at the ocean, thinking of you. Drinking a vodka and lemonade, but it might as well be Jack and Coke. In my heart, I'm drinking Jack and Coke.
It's been so long, Chris Lux.
Hello, my friend. Hello. I think I just saw a hammerhead.
You know, I just want to let you know, Leslie, that Scott has been so true to you so far. He's such a dedicated guy. He hasn't even talked to another girl, not even to help us. Feel lucky of what a great guy you have. Scott Harris, the man, the myth, the legend. He's all yours.